Ferrari has unveiled its latest sports car, the 849 Testarossa. The car, which replaces the SF90 Stradale in the range, is a hybrid plug-in super sports berlinetta, equipped with 3 electric motors alongside the mid-rear twin-turbo V8, delivering a total of 1,050 horsepower, 50 more than the car it replaces. The 849 Testarossa takes its place at the top of Ferrari's range thanks to its performance, its ability to thrill the driver without ever compromising ride comfort or interior refinement, as well as its futuristic yet deeply historically rooted design of the 1984 Testarossa, one of the marque's most famous road-going models. This car is conceived for the most demanding clients, those who want the very best from a Ferrari. The heart of the 849 Testarossa revolves around its twin-turbo 8-cylinder internal combustion engine, part of the family of engines that received multiple International Engine of the Year awards. The unit has been completely re-engineered to reach new performance peaks, a remarkable 830 horsepower of maximum power, and is combined with an advanced hybrid system derived from Ferrari's unmatched motorsport experience. Among the most prominent innovations is the new turbo, the largest ever for a Ferrari production car, enabling unprecedented acceleration. The hybrid group, consisting of a rear electric motor and 2 units installed on the front axle, is capable of delivering 220 horsepower. The on-demand 4-wheel drive system and torque vectoring maximize performance in all conditions. From a styling point of view as well, the 849 Testarossa marks a revolution in the concept of a Ferrari V8 mid-rear berlinetta. The inspiration taken from 1970s sports prototypes, together with sharp and geometric lines, creates a unique and timeless design. The synergy between form and function has enabled impressive aerodynamic performance. The total downforce of 415 kilograms at 250 kilometers per hour represents a 25 kilogram increase over the SF90 Stradale, as well as providing a 15% boost in cooling power for the powertrain and brakes. The volume of the bodywork flanks has been optimized to increase the amount of air flowing to the intercoolers by 30%. A channel has been scooped out in the door to feed the lower portion of the intercooler, while the lower surface of the duct is equipped with a blow that allows the boundary layer to be captured. The side air intake trim wraps around the bodywork up to the sill cover and has a profiled shape with an upper auxiliary inlet to maximize the airflow to the radiating masses. The side inlet, in addition to the intercooler, also feeds the rear brake duct and the engine intake. The front underfloor, responsible for 35% of the total downforce, has been completely redesigned. 3 pairs of cascading vortex generators maximize outwash and intake, guaranteeing a 20% increase in downforce compared to the SF90 Stradale. The excavation upstream of the side loop and the relative nolder contribute to the extraction of the hot flow from the front compartment and reduce the compression on the front face of the tire, decreasing drag. The square front bumper has integrated bumperettes that help increase the airflow to the front air intakes and generate vorticity useful for extracting the flow from the wheel arch. The splitter, also larger in size, incorporates a flick, inspired by the SF90XX Stradale, responsible for 10% of the front downforce. The rear adopts a twin-tail architecture inspired by the 512S, with 2 wing sections, called twin-tail, that exploit the high energy flow that laps the top of the muscular rear wheel arches to generate 10% of the downforce at the rear. The active rear spoiler, derived from that of the SF90 Stradale, is integrated into the bodywork and actioned by a kinematic solution that is 2 kilograms lighter. It is capable of switching between low drag and high downforce configurations in less than a second. In high downforce configuration, it helps to generate up to 100 kilograms of downforce at 250 kilometers per hour, working in synergy with the passive elements of the tail. The rear underbody adopts a multi-level diffuser with a suspended lower element and vertical fences that allow the wheel wake to be isolated. A pair of vortex generators with an oversized cord maximizes expansion at the height of the rear axle. The downforce generated by the rear underfloor is aligned with that of the SF90 Stradale, with a 10% reduction in drag. The cockpit is even more enveloping and ergonomic than before. The central sail motif with the integrated gear change gate, inspired by the F80, improves the positioning of components and makes them more accessible. The new steering wheel, equipped with mechanical buttons, including the iconic engine start button, elevates the driving experience while maintaining the high functionality of the latest generation Ferrari steering wheels. Finally, a new HMI system makes interaction with the car even simpler and more intuitive. To enhance its dynamic qualities and the driver feedback at the limit, the 849 Testarossa is equipped, in addition to the latest generation brake-by-wire system, with Ferrari's ABS Evo controller, which improves braking precision and consistency in all conditions, along with the new braking system. The spring and damper setup has been completely revised for improved behavior at the limit of grip. Extensive component weight reduction has allowed the 849 Testarossa to boast the best power-to-weight ratio ever for a range model, since the enormous performance increase has not resulted in any additional weight compared to the SF90 Stradale.